Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're gonna show you how to use Twitter Circles. So Twitter Circles is a new update from Twitter and we're gonna show you how to use it. But first we have to update our Twitter account or Twitter app to get the last update of Twitter. And we do it by searching for Twitter in the App Store, and then you can download the new Twitter update. Yes, so for me it's not necessary because I already did it, but if you don't update Twitter, you can't use Twitter Circles. We open our new Twitter account. Welcome to my Twitter account, and here we're gonna show you how to use Twitter Circles. Well, I made already a tutorial about Twitter, so this first picture you can ignore and we can delete it, because I'm going to show you how to use Twitter Circles. This I'm also deleting, and we're going to upload the new picture. And this is of course the same picture as I did in the previous tutorial. It doesn't matter. Yes, how we can use Twitter Circles? Well, above this picture you see public. Well, if we tap public, you see Twitter Circle. And what we can do, we can edit. And here you can, I don't follow any people, but if you have some people, I can search people right here and I can add them and they will be in my Twitter Circle. If you want to read carefully and in your own time how it works, here is a button. You can see how it works. You don't have any recommendations yet. We'll suggest people to add your Twitter Circle here. Yes, I don't have any people in this Twitter. So if you have people in your Twitter, you can follow and add them here in your Twitter Circle. Well, let's add some people in my Twitter Circle just to try. Yes. Okay. So now you see the green button, and I can add some text, not text. Yes, and I tweet this this picture, and only people in Gigabits tutorial Twitter Circle can see this tweet. But of course, only if they following me as well. Yes, so that's very important. Well, thank you guys. Hope you learned something about Twitter Circles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.